Today we're going to show you how to make a simple music bed in GarageBand. You simply start by clicking GarageBand and allowing the window to open. You will go to New Project and choose Loops. Make sure it's highlighted and click Choose. Here is where you'll name your project, and today we'll call it New Music Bed, and we'll put in Simple. This you don't have to worry about. Leave it as it is and click Create. On the right hand side, you will look at the Loop browser. If it's not open, simply go down to these boxes here on the right hand side, and it will look like this. Click the ribbon and the Loop browser opens. These are the categories that we can choose from. For today, we'll choose Cinematic, and up opens the Loop browser with all of the different loops in that particular category. For today, we'll choose Broadcast News Medium. Simply drag it to the left into the window. Once it's there, you can hit the space bar and listen to it. One thing that you may encounter is a popping sound. If that popping sound is there, it means that the metronome is on. Go to the control panel, click metronome, and make sure it's unchecked. Check it again, and you'll see that metronome's unchecked. We also need to change showtime in LCD. You do that because now you can notice the clock, time, and the length will show up here in hours, minutes, and seconds. Now that we've done that, you can hit the space bar and your music bed will play. All of this space is silence, which we also need to eliminate. Go down to the bottom and move this bar all the way to the right. If you look up above it, you will see this white triangle, and when you click it and hold the mouse button down, a purple line appears. Drag that purple line all the way over to the left until you get to the end of your music bed. That is where your music bed will stop. You have just created your first simple music bed. Go to File and Save, and then we have to share it. Go to Send Song to iTunes, and up comes the dialog box for exporting it to iTunes. In this case, we will simply type in the name of a playlist, and the artist name, the composer name, the album name is all up to you. But here's what's important. This box, compress, make sure it's checked. You want to be sure that it is checked for MP3 encoder. The quality can remain the same, and then you simply click Share. iTunes opens and it exports to iTunes.